Hey everyone, I was just mm, searching for uh, how to solve this problem, and nowhere I haven't get any answer. Like when I try to in notes, I try to append to note or anything, open notes, append to notes, and I click on this note. It just shows me couldn't communicate with a helper application. I don't know what it is, and I searched a lot of blog posts, and there it is saying that you have to do this or do that, and then I cannot find any good answers. So what then suddenly what I realized, that if you let's try it, like let's try to put some text on there and put some text and note name like highlights. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put all of my book highlights in a note, so I can just keep track of my highlights. Then I can copy that highlight and put it in my Notion. Though I don't find any Notion, any the Notion in my app list here, so I have to do that. uh, so what we have to do, just you have to hold this note, and that's it. You put text, done. So now let's find it here, that let's copy it from here, and let's clear the variable and click this note again. It is showing that could not communicate with helper application. If I run this, it is always allow, then it will say this, that could not communicate with helper application, an error. If I just hold it and put the text here, if I run it again and put it always allow, done. This is done, like highlights is here. So like this you can put you can get rid of this error message. Okay, bye bye. If this thing helps you, you can subscribe this channel and like this, and also share this with your with the forum you are coming from the forum you are coming from. Share this link also in that forum, so someone might it might help someone. Bye bye.